This is the iPhone 7 and we are going to show you how to perfectly press a screen guard on it. It's the iPhone to which we perform the screen replacement on. Watch that video right there to know how to do that. So anyway, first things first, we are going to remove this and we are going to put the screen guard, but the first thing is to roughly align and see how it generally shows up when how it should fit there roughly. So this is the rough estimation of how it fits in, and that's leaving about 1.5 millimeters from the edges. So now the next stage is to clean the surface that is going to receive, and normally there's a material provided, but because I don't have it, I'm going to sort of use my cotton shirt for that, and then wipe this to and fro, making sure no particle stays between the two surfaces. So that is the purpose, and this would have been best done in a laminar flow cabinet without any particles, but now this is the dilemma I'm going to have to deal with here. Okay, I feel like I have cleaned it well enough. Now the next prayer is that no dust particle settles on it before I think it. So we unpeel that cover and then bring it and align it, making sure that from that side it's 0.5 millimeter, and also showing that the holes are well aligned to each other. These holes are perfectly showing. I think for now that is perfect by me. Now I'm going to squeeze it so that this spreads out all the way to that side. I can see some particle got its way there, but it's going to have to stay, and that's it. And okay, right there, I'm going to put that there, and then the next thing is, let me now finally make sure it is well seated by now pressing to make sure that the adhesive bonds to this. So if you're new, please do hit the subscribe button, and if you're a continuing person, please watch it till the end. I am trying to chase the watch hours. I would be glad. Alright, so this is how you perfectly press a screen guard on your iPhone. And yeah, so we'll see you in the next video. Okay, thank you. iPhone 7 now protected.